Yo, what is up? What's been happening? Welcome back to another episode of Those Car Dudes, Nathan. Those Car Dudes.
Those Car Dudes.
Now, as you all know, Audis and all European cars, especially BMWs, are the worst to work on, and that's why today we're going to be taking in the Audi to get fixed by someone that actually knows what they're doing, because we can't be bothered, Nathan.
That's right. So our mate Raj, he's going to be working on that, and he's been fixing our cars in the past when we've come to a point where we're like, you know what, we've had enough, and he's the man. But we're not only doing that today, we're getting something very special for the Silvia.
That's right, Nathan. We've been all talk over the last few weeks on the S14 manual conversion, and today, Nathan, we're going to be doing the walk. We've been doing the talk, but today we're doing the walk.
We're getting the first bits and pieces.
We're doing it, and then we are finally going to start the episode on showing you how to manual convert your S14 or any Datsun in that case.
Any Datsun. They're all the same. Not only that, after we've picked up the pressure plate and flywheel and the other bits and pieces we need for the manual conversion, we are going to go check out my engine and what's been happening with that and give you guys an update on how that's going so far. So I reckon we've got a big day ahead. Let's get into it.
Let's go, Nathan. Coffee. Woo! Man, it is so cold. It's like just having to wear a puffer. I'm having to wear a hoodie. It's so cold. It's so cold, Nathan. It's so cold, bro. Why is it so cold? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So here we are, Nathan. We made it to our good mate Raj's place. He's going to be working on my Audi today, getting it all legal for the road again, as you do every year.
R&J Automotive. If you need anything done on your car that you don't want to do yourself, this is the place to come.
That's it.
Thank you. Good.
Take care of it, Raj.
I will. Thank you.
Fix it up for me.
Yeah, I will.
Thanks, mate. There it is. Dropped off. Dropped off, Nathan. Let's go. Let's go pick up some parts. Now we are on our way to t.c.d, where we will be going to pick up the clutch and all the other bits and pieces. We're in the Corsas, so it's fast. It's a lot louder in here, Nathan.
So fast.
There's like a lot of air leaks, like around the windows, Nathan. Like, is that normal?
I guess so.
Do you get wet when you drive?
No, it doesn't leak. Okay.
They found a nice little spot for my iPhone 11. Not sponsored, in Nathan's Corsa, so he can essentially see where he's going.
I just have to look down away from the road to see where I'm going.
Okay, true story. Like, if you are, you shouldn't be doing this, but if you are having to check something on your phone and you have to like unlock it, with anything iPhone X up, you'll have to like take your phone, bring it up to your face, and then bring it down. Well, like
Well, you shouldn't be using your phone while driving.
You shouldn't be, Nathan. But if you have to, if you're in a situation where you have to look up at your phone to unlock it with your face, it's a hazard, Nathan.
Why would you need to unlock your phone while you're driving?
Well, if something important comes through, like
there's nothing more important than driving your car.
Like a new
nothing
like
is
a new,
more important
what if
than driving your car.
What if a new sponsor was like, yo, we want to sponsor your YouTube channel?
Who would that be?
I don't know. Maybe it could be Canon.
Canon, are you listening?
Maybe.
We won't use our phones while driving if you give us 2 Canon R5s.
Please.
That's a terrible sponsor.
It's not about a gear, Nathan. It's not about the gear.
This video was brought to you by Squarespace.
Now we just picked up the parts. They are all in the back. Invoice. We got everything. Master, slave. We got lines. We got the bearing for the fork, and we got the clutch, pressure plate, everything ready to go. Even the clutch alignment tool and the spigot bush, Nathan. I really hope that everything fits, and then we'll just bolt on and we'll be able to go for some skids. Alright, so we're going to get some food.
Taco Bell.
Taco Bell for the first time
never
ever.
been to Taco Bell before.
Oh yeah.
It's a new thing in New Zealand. For American viewers, you guys probably like, what? You guys don't have Taco Bell?
We actually just got Taco Bell in New Zealand, and Nathan has been talking it up. I've just been like, what? I've never even heard of Taco Bell.
I've never been. I don't know what it's like.
Let's go check it out. Thanks, guys.
They're all gonna say, woo.
Right, Taco Bell was good. Taco Bell was so good. Wild. The taco is in him right now, and it's making him really weird.
We're here at Harris Performance, checking out my motor and the progress that is happening on that. A bunch of bits just came in, so we're gonna go have a look.
That's exciting, Nathan. Let's go have a look and see where your engine's at.
Yes.
Ooh, Nathan, new parts. How good?
How good?
How good?
Dude, that's so tidy. 4-door M3. Are you filming this?
I am filming, but I'm so
4-door
overexposed.
M3, and it is so tidy. Wow. Dude,
red.
it's like an old dude driving it. He's like kept it in pristine condition.
It's red though.
He's probably had it since day one, out the factory doors.
It's red, bro.
He probably went to Germany himself and picked it up and drove it to Auckland.
Yeah, he probably did, Nathan. He probably
Look,
did.
he's turning right. Is it a BMW? And the indicator is working.
Wow.
He's actually using it.
That's unreal. Well, Nathan, what a productive day we've had. The Audi is just getting some tires done, and well, we picked up a clutch. I'm excited for that. Checked out your engine. Mate,
Many things happening.
productive.
We are planning to see my engine, all the bits laid out on the counter, and have like a nice little panning shot over it all, and hopefully have some really cool time lapses and things. Haven't fully figured out how we're gonna do it yet, but we've got so much more content coming on that, so I'm just super pumped.
That's so cool.
I can't wait.
I can't wait. It's gonna be so good.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. We're stoked that you checked out this video. Make sure you hit that sub button. There's plenty more to come. Follow us on Instagram, and we will see you in the next video.
Peace out.